Hey, this will be a video chart on KATX. Been a while since the last time I did this, but it remains a very popular chart, and I've been getting some requests trickling on it, so I wanted to get it updated here, as it does seem like it's finally found a bottom. So now it's looking like the chart is more trying to get a reversal going. I wouldn't quite call it a reversal yet, but it has been doing a good job of putting in some higher lows. So first, let's just start off with where this bottom finally came in at, and looking here, you can see that down here at the 6 cent level, where the price bounced off, what was that, about 5-6 times, was finally the bottom that all the longs were looking for. And like I said, it found support here, then made a run, got knocked down by the 50-day simple moving average, came back down, back tested it, once again held as support, and now the past couple weeks it's gone back up. So 6 cents in the overall grand scheme of things, that's a key support level. That's where the bottom is, and if 6 cents falls for some reason, then the chart's going to go enter into a whole nother downtrend. But from where it closed, that'd be a long fall from where it's at right now. Now, the main question I've been getting in a roundabout way has pretty much been, what's the key thing should I be looking for? Should I be looking for some sort of breakout? Should I be looking for a certain level to just hold? What's the key aspect? And in my opinion, and obviously this is going to be different for everybody, but the chart right now is revolving around this 50-day simple moving average, which is a purple line. And when I say revolving around, it just means pretty much the whole thing is hinging on it. If this can hold as support, so we extend it out, then the chart's going to remain and have a good shot of getting a nice reversal. If it were to come down here and bounce around before heading back up, well, this set of lows would still be higher than up here, and that's what we want. Now, if it were to fall back below the 50-day, then the next support level is not down here till 6 cents. So more than likely it would go right back down and have to start all over again. So that's why the 50-day is a very important level. Not only because is it going to save a lot of time, because like I said, if it goes down there, then it's like starting from square one again. But if it can maintain that level, then not only is it putting in a higher low, but you don't have to start from square one. Sure, you gotta go back a little bit, but it's one of those things where it's a step backwards and then 2 step forwards. That's the way you want to look at it. And so far so good. It has only tested it once, and that was on Thursday. But besides then, ever since it's gotten above it, it's done a good job of holding support, and it's consolidated more so up here than even down around this area. So it's holding up very nicely now. It's just a matter of needing to continue to do that. Now, in terms of resistance levels, the key level to watch for resistance-wise is going to be up here at 9 cents. And you can see that this has been kind of the thorn in the side of the chart ever since the price dropped below it here. Actually, first let me just change this to red for resistance. But ever since the price fell below it on these days here, tried to get above it once there, was denied. Tried to get above it once more, was denied. There, not quite, but within the same area, denied. Once again, not quite, within the same area, denied. And then this past week, it did break above it intraday, but because we care about the daily chart, we care about where the candles close. But 3 times this past week, the price has had interactions with this area, and it's still continuing to knock down the price. So this 9 cent level is going to be a very important level, not only just because it's such key resistance, but after that, then the next resistance is not all the way up here until this orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and that would be a pretty big possibility of a quick little run there if it can break this with some momentum. And the final thing that I wanted to point out with is, yes, the price has been going sideways, but check out volume. This is what you want to see during sideways days. Volume has dropped off during this consolidation, and that's fine as long as there's no huge volume bars when the price is going down. Then that's good. Now, if the price decides it wants to head back up, then yeah, that's where a nice volume bar like that would be perfect. But during the consolidation periods, nice little volume like that is what you want to see. So if there are any other questions on the chart or something I've missed, please let me know and shoot me a message. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website and give it a try. One more time, this was KATX. Thanks for listening.